The reality for us as believers is we do not conform. Romans chapter 12 and verse 2 says, "Be ye not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind." We do not conform, we transform. We do not conform, we transform. Say to your neighbor, we do not conform, we transform. We bring about change. Conformity happens, right? We know that this is the plan of the enemy. We know that in the last days that Jesus is coming for a bride that has two qualities and characteristics. A bride without spot or wrinkles, right? Spots come from sin, right? Jesus said to the children of Israel in Isaiah, "Come, let us reason together. Though your sin makes you as red as scarlet, I will wash you white as snow." So we know that the spots or the stains come from sin. Wrinkles come from conformity. Wrinkles come from outside pressure. Wrinkles in my shirt come from the fact that I've been sitting and there's been pressure on the shirt and it's caused wrinkles that happen to it. It is from outside pressure that makes that look different because of the outside pressure. And the reality is you were not called to conform to this world. You were called to transform, because greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world. So the outside pressure of the world doesn't change my outlook on life. The outside pressure of living in Zimbabwe doesn't cause me to become depressed. It doesn't cause me to think that my God is not able. The outside pressure of this world is not enough to change what's coming from the inside, because greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world. And therefore my God says, "I shall supply all of your needs according to your riches and glory." I shall do it. I can heal, I can restore, I can transform. That comes from the inside. So we don't conform. We apply pressure to the world around us. Amen.